On our watch list, three or four sectors which are absolutely coming through. Banking and financial services have not disappointed at all. So our take is that this is one sector that you should definitely keep an eye on, out for. A lot of companies have reported very decent set of numbers, whether they are large cap banks, private sector banks, or even NBFCs to a certain extent. So our take is watch out for NBFCs like Credit Access Grameen as an example. Fabulous set of numbers. So that definitely comes onto our watch list within the NBFC space. Axis Bank, great set of numbers in our opinion, and a lot more is changing for that bank as well. So that becomes part of our watch list as well. Auto ancillaries, obviously a lot has been said about them, but our take is that the resilience might continue. And with the transition that is happening clearly from petrol and diesel to electrical mobility, and the way the auto companies are transitioning and the auto ancillary companies as well, this is one space that you should definitely keep an eye out for. Maruti Suzuki, out of the top names, will be on our watch list. Similarly, within the auto ads, something like a JK Tyre will be on our watch list. And therefore, I think this space also becomes very interesting to probably monitor. The Capex and infra theme, obviously, I think this is something that will continue with general elections expected around the corner. Lot more projects will get awarded in the next quarter. And very sharp execution will happen. Monsoons are almost, I mean, we are done and dusted with monsoons. And yes, they were deficient, but I think as activity picks up quite significantly, a lot of stocks within the spaces. So I think a lot of large caps like an L&T will definitely be on the focused watch list to probably look at as the market bottoms out. So as Ultratech Cement, as a lot of activity probably picks up, and Dalmia Bharat within the mid-cap space as well. Last but not the least, I think a few of the mid-cap IT stocks have done reasonably better. And if the market probably gyrates into a range, I think mid-cap stroke pharma selectively becomes very defensive. So I think this is one space to be watched out for. But we'll see how the numbers come out for the rest of the companies within the space. So I think for the first three sectors, I think there is a lot of scope in terms of a lot of stocks breaking out and expected to break out. That should be part of your watch list as discussed.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.